Hey class, we're here today with another video on the passive voice. Today's topic, we're going to be talking about passive with the word get. Now, get passives are a little different from our regular types of passive because usually when you're using passives with the word get, you're only doing it in spoken or casual English. You don't really use this in formal or written English. It's usually just speaking with your friends. So this is a good lesson for if you want to learn to speak more fluently, rather than if you want to get really good scores on your IELTS test. If you're forming the passive with the word get, then it's a really simple change from the regular passive voice. Instead of where we would usually have be, we just replace that with get. And if you are going to be forming it with get, there are three main reasons why you would do that. The first reason is if something is unwanted or unexpected. So an example of this, we could say, the tourists got robbed by a criminal while they were on vacation. The second reason we would use a get passive is if we're talking about something that has a negative effect. In our first example, we talked about how the tourists got robbed while they were on vacation. If we switch perspectives to the robber, now we could say, the robber is going to get arrested. And for the robber, that is a negative effect. The third reason why you would use a get passive instead of a be passive is that there are some verbs that just work better with get rather than the standard be. Some of these verbs are accept, deliver, fire, hire, invite, offer, pay, promote, and show. There are other ones, but this is just a list of some examples of common words that work better with get than with be. An example of this could be the sentence, he is going to get hired for his dream job. Now this is something that we would say is very positive, but we would still use get because it is one of our verbs that works better with get than with be. There's one more thing to remember about get passives though, and that is that we cannot use get passives with a stative verb. We can only use it with active verbs. So for example, we could not say, nothing got known about the new teacher. We would say, nothing is known about the new teacher. So I hope this information on how to form the passive with get was helpful for you. If you have any questions on it, please let me know in the comments and I will try to answer them as soon as I can. In the description of this video, I've included some practice exercises so that you can get some extra practice at home.